eto na nga ang pinakamura naming house and lot na ino-offer dito sa Bacoor, Cavite na ready for occupancy. Complete finish ang turnover kasamang fence and gate. Few minutes away from Evia at Alabang area and accessible din going to airport inside an exclusive subdivision na may peaceful community. So paano, tara tripping tayo kay Quezaya Model. This is located in Town and Country West, a flood-free and fault-line-free community. And this unit is priced for only 5.6 million pesos at kung matagal ka nang naghahanap sa Bacoor, Molino, Cavite, alam mong ito na ang pinakamurang may ganito kagandang finishing. Complete turnover na nga to kasama ang fence and gate. With lot area na 60 square meters, floor area ay 89 square meters naman at nag-iisang unit na nga lang ang available natin right now. Best part, may maids room to sa ground floor, 2 toilet and bath, 2 bedrooms sa second floor, and kung anong nakikita mo in this house or video ay kasama na rin sa ating deliverable. 10% lang ang down payment for you to move in, payable pa yan ng 3 months, and the rest is loanable to bank financing. The estimated monthly amortization of around 35,000 a month. Required income is around 120,000 at pwedeng-pwede ka mag-co-borrower. Maganda ang pagkaka-layout, premium ang finish, and of course, trusted ang developer natin. Kaya naman dito, sulit na sulit talaga ang investment. Available also for in-house financing, cash payment, and deferred payment. Location-wise, panalong-panalo ka rin kasi napakalapit mo sa lahat ng major establishment essential for a growing family. So paano, wag mo nang palagpasan yung remaining 1 unit at tara, tripping na tayo, connect with our team through Viber and WhatsApp for further details. See you soon at paalam!